So how much weight you lost so far?
Around 5.6, 5.7.
Yeah, that's right. Right, and then how's your training going? Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. You're writing. You see the your journal. Yeah, show right here. Your journal. You see? Yeah. So you journal. So day one. How many squat you did?
And that was 70 on day 1.
And then you almost threw up, right?
Yeah, and I feel really bad for after.
Yeah, now we do like over 200 easy, and then push-ups and TRX. Significantly improve.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the eating, you increase your performance. Yeah, so I can take it this way. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So
every
now,
day
increase your performance. Good. And then same time you increase your protein intake, right? Yeah, and so that's how you become stronger. So eating more meat, right?
Yeah.
So today you're craving shrimp. That's the right thing to crave. That's good. And then yesterday you didn't lose weight, right?
Yesterday I didn't.
First time, yeah.
Yeah, I gained a little bit. Even,
you gained. What happened?
The day before I had carbs.
Yeah. Right? Yeah, so, okay, you can put it a little bit higher. Yeah. So, like, as I said, if you eat carb, you have to calculate macro, like, protein, fat, carb. Yes, you can still lose weight eating carb. But problem is, losing weight is calorie deficit, right? Calorie deficit. You consume less than you burn is a calorie deficit. The problem is, because you exercise every single day, it's not a joking, right? It is not like just walking. It is like quite intense for your body. You need a quality and quantity protein like red meat and nice fat you can repair better. But if you eat less meat and then you eat some sweet potato, fruits, potato and rice, then you recover slowly. Then you high chance to get hurt. So my recommendation is if you don't train like Olympian issue is not calorie. They want to consume large calorie. They, so until you become high level, so consume as little carb as possible, or usually come from vegetable, right? And then consume as much animal base as possible. Then you lose fat, gain muscle at the same time. You feel good, like everything's great, right? And then what your friend said about your stairs, and let's share the story.
My friend said that he saw me walking on the stairs. A lot lighter and easier, and he was very impressed at how much I changed. Over a week.
Over a week. Over a week.
Don't look at any kind of weight reduce or anything else. Just the fact that I can walk on stairs easier, it's just a huge improvement for me.
Yeah, and then you walk a lot yesterday, right? And then you don't have any problem. Because you become stronger. Yeah, the strength exercise, resistance exercise is the way to go.
For sure. For the first couple of days, walking can be hard. But once I got used to that, my body developed. Yesterday I was like walking like very fast.
3 days rule. After 3 days, normally your muscle soreness is gone. And then you can really, really enjoy your training. All right?
Yeah.
Great job. Okay.